Like everything else in the Easy Digital Downloads plugin, the Payment Gateways options are straightforward and easy to set up. By default, you have two payment gateways, PayPal and Test Payment. Test Payment is a testing system which, when activated, allows you to make purchases inside your store to test that everything works. PayPal is, well, PayPal. You can add more payment gateways by adding extensions to Easy Digital Downloads. There are both free and for-pay extensions that will add other standard payment gateways that you may use on the internet. You'll also notice that some of the standard things you often see as payment options on websites are not here, things like cash on delivery and check payments. That has a simple explanation. Easy Digital Downloads was set up to sell digital products online, so taking cash payments on delivery or taking check payments doesn't really make much sense. If you want to use payment gateways, you need to activate them by checking whatever payment gateways you want to use. And if you add extensions, you'll see more listed here at the top. So let's say I want to use PayPal. Well, I check PayPal, then I make sure that my default gateway is set to PayPal. And then I need to enter my PayPal settings down here. Now here's a trick. If you want to use PayPal as your payment system, but you want to run tests on your site first to make sure everything works, instead of using PayPal as PayPal and then sending money back and forth between real accounts, you can use the PayPal Sandbox. The PayPal Sandbox is found under sandbox.paypal.com. And here you can set up testing accounts under PayPal that will allow you to set up customer and merchant accounts inside a sandbox environment. And then you can assign money to the customer accounts and make payments to the merchant's accounts and see that payments are actually being made and transactions are happening between these two accounts. And you can run a full test of your site without actually spending any real money. Setting up the PayPal Sandbox is a little bit of work, and it's outside the scope of this course, but it's not hard to do. So if you want to use PayPal as your payment portal, you should go set up a PayPal Sandbox account and then use that information to set up your site first. Because once you have the Sandbox account, it works exactly like your normal PayPal account. You simply go down here, enter the email address for your Sandbox merchant account or for your real PayPal payment account, and then you select the PayPal page style. This is the page that people land on when they make a PayPal payment, and you can choose between different styles inside the PayPal settings. And then you just click Save Changes, and PayPal will be activated on your site. So whether you're using the Sandbox or a real PayPal account, it's the exact same process. Now there are a couple of more settings here. You'll see that it says Accepted Payment Method Icons, and here you can check different icons. You have MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Discover, and also PayPal. These are solely icons that appear on the checkout page. So if you want to show the customer that you are taking payments through all these different options, you can check them and the icons will appear. Now, these icons are not actually active icons, so it doesn't mean that if people click on Visa, they go to Visa Payment. It just means that you are displaying to the customer what type of payments you are taking. Finally, at the bottom here, you have this box that says Disable PayPal IPN Verification. This is an option you can toggle on if payments are not getting marked as complete. That means the communication between your site and PayPal isn't working quite right, so when people are paying through PayPal, the payment is coming in, but that message is not being sent back to the site, so the payment is not marked inside your site as complete. It should work, but if it doesn't, you can try by clicking this to see if that changes things. So it's kind of a fail-safe to see that things work properly. Once you made your changes, put in your PayPal account and set up everything so it's correct, click Save Changes, and now you're ready to take payments on your site.